kids will blow dandelion fuzz, and I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer. A drink in my hand, my snow up against the burning sand, probably getting gorgeously tanned in summer. I'll finally see a summer breeze blow away a winter storm, and find out what happens to solid water when it gets warm. And I can't wait to see what my buddies all think of me. Just imagine how much cooler I'll be in summer. Da-da, da-doo, ah-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boo. The hot and the cold are both so intense, put them together, it just makes sense. Ra-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-doo. Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle, but put me